Maxim 65. When God draws the sword of wrath, prophets and saints draw in their heads. But if he casts a look of grace, he converts wicked into virtuous men. If at the resurrection he addresses us in anger, what chance of pardon will even prophets have? Say, remove the veil from the face of mercy, because sinners entertain hopes of pardon. And certainly some hope, whatever, but not deluded hope, right? Try again, but don't just, sin expecting to be forgiven. None of this, but if we don't sin, then Jesus died for nothing, or, that sort of thinking. There are people who actually say that.